Hi guys, in front of me is Hammer Blade 5 and let me show you how to clear browsing data. At first open the browser that you are using. Now let's go just through all the setup. Now tap on more icon and select history. Here select clear browsing data and now mark basic and advanced information that you wish to remove. If you want to leave, for example, saved passwords, just unmark it, but I want to perform a full cleanup, so let's mark everything and then customize your time range. So if you want to remove history from last hour, just mark it, or 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks and all time, and I will pick all time, then just click on clear data, confirm, and that's it. That will be all. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.